All right, we're on to Math Models Unit 6, Lesson 3, Budgeting. This one's pretty straightforward. You're going to get these tables that have a list of income for someone, like their amount of money they're making, and their expenses, including savings. And there's just going to be a list like this. And so just kind of show you, like, your goal or what you're going to be asked is like, okay, c- calculate the total expenses and the salary needed to cover the expenses. And so just understand the table is representative of the month. So this is like the monthly expenses listed here. And then they're asking what's the yearly salary needed. So we have two things that we need to do. So the first thing you do is very basic. You're just going to literally add up all of these values in the table, including the savings. 825, 1,375, add up all this stuff, add it all up. Okay. And then when you're done, that's the answer that goes here. Okay, I'm not sure what it is, but you're gonna do that. I'm not gonna do this whole problem for you. But like for instance, up here you can see they've added up all of these values and they got 2,990. That was what they got when they added up all of the expenses for the month. Then they multiplied that number times 12 and they found this salary number. And that is the salary for 35,880. And that's what you're doing. Okay? So that's the idea, is that you're just saying if you wanted to live this life and have these expenses and have all this money for grocery, dining out, concerts, movie, whatever, this is the salary you would need to meet that. Okay? So you're going to add everything up, get an answer, multiply that answer times 12 to find the yearly salary needed. Very similar idea, and the problems that follow, just a little bit slightly different. A lot of it is common sense. For instance, in this one, they want to know how much can the person afford to put in the category of entertainment. So, first things first, just notice they've already added up a lot of stuff for us or put a lot of stuff in there. They just have a couple of calculations they want us to do. We're going to first add up salary and other to find the total income. So the total income is 2,300. That one's easy. You just add those numbers up. Then we want to find the amount they want to save because their goal is to save 15%. So we're going to do 15% of 2,300, which is the amount we see here, total income. And so we'll press enter there. It's at 345. So that's where we get this number from. So again, we're just doing some basic problem solving math. So then the question is, how much can they spend on entertainment? So in order to know that, we have to take the 2,300 and subtract from this list. Or you can add the expenses and subtract the total from 2,300. So that's what you're going to do first. You're going to add up all the expenses except entertainment, obviously, and then subtract the answer from 2,300. And whatever's left is what they can spend on entertainment. So that's where you get this answer. That's all you're going to do. So that's how you do that one. I'm going to just look through these other ones. Very similar, actually exact same idea on the next one. Calculate the savings by doing a percent of the salary, subtract all of the expenses, and then find out how much is left for entertainment. Same exact idea. Okay. Let's see this next one. Use the volume budget to determine how much this person needs to cut from expenses. Okay, so they've already given us everything. So we need to add up all of our expenses, subtract them from our salary, and the answer is going to be a negative number because this person is actually spending more than they are making. So they need to cut their spending, and we need to know how much do they need to cut. So that negative answer you get when you do salary minus all of this, that's going to be the amount you need to cut. Okay? Same idea. I'm not even going to do this one. How much is left over for the entertainment category? You did this one up at number 3, 2, and 3. So just do the same exact idea as we did previously. All right, so that's it for this quick one. So I will close this down and I'll send this out.